Hi, it's 12:15 PM and it's Monday the 7th of July 2025. I've started setting up an art desk because I've got a little project that I want to do, and I want to start on some artwork, and I want to do sketches, and then I want to use some of the sketches to make badges with. Putting this desk together, but it's falling apart here, and yeah, it doesn't hold together, so I may have to take it apart in the future and put some big screws in it. But that noise you can hear is this little one. Look at my mess it's made. Cardboard everywhere. And here's Midnight watching her, but Flo's pitched a bottle, haven't you? So I've got loads of art equipment, so I'm going to get it all out and I'll catch up in a bit. Okay. Right, okay. It's 9:28 PM on Monday, the 7th of July 2025. So 7725. I've changed the cameras. I'm using my action camera stroke vlogging camera. I don't like the iPhone. My picture's not good enough quality. So here we have a package. We've got little Flo Ellery helping. So I'm going to open this. This come the other day, but because I've been so ill with my ribs, I've not opened it. And it was an Amazon delivery, even though I got it on eBay. So let's just move that. Flo's not having that. So here you can see ARTFLY glow in the dark paint, 12 glow in the dark colours, 12 1 fluid ounces, or 30 millilitres. So absorb light 20 minutes, can be glow in the dark. Yeah, so there's the colours. Let's get it the right way round. Let's get this off because it's reflecting. Wolves climbing on my desk. Right, so a bit better. Just check this one, yeah. Look at her. She's cheeky. Right. That's what we look like. Not getting them all out in little bottles with an applicator like that. So I bought these because I'm doing a commission for my brother and sister-in-law, and I want to do it glow in the dark paints. Oh, there's a few applicators in my bottom there. So yeah, so we'll let them catch a bit of light. As a matter of fact, let's get them all out. And I'm going to shine my light on them for ages and then catch up in a bit in the dark. We'll see how well they glow. Yeah, so you've got a little tip card, instructions. So thank you. And you've got 3 tips in there. So we'll move that out of the way, Flo. We'll get these lined up so they all get light. We'll leave this light on the LED light for the camera. Right, we'll catch up in a bit because it should be dark in an hour. So you can hear jingling like a bell, and I'll show you who that is. It's this little one here, isn't it? Hey, oh, she's pouring my camera. She's very, she's very cheeky. Look, she likes climbing, don't ya? Hey? Right, she wants to come out, so I'm going to let her out for a bit. Right, it's now 10 PM. I don't know how long I've had the light on them for, but it's over 20 minutes, so we'll turn the light off, see if the camera will pick it up. Oh yeah, so yeah, it worked quite well then. That one's quite bright, but you can see there, my finger over. So I'll have to work out what colours they glow, won't I? Because a few are like a greeny colour, there's a couple of orange, 2 blue, quite a few orange. So yeah, that's them. They're quite good then. Let's have a bit of a closer look. Yeah, so half decent. So we should look good on the canvas. Now my brother and sister-in-law don't know that I'm putting glow-in-the-dark paint on my canvas. So yeah, it'll be a surprise, because they probably won't watch this video anyway. Okay, there's Flo Emma. There she is, lay on my coat. Right, I'm going to have to let midnight out now, so I'm moving these paints. Okay, right, okay. So this is the end of the video. It's been a quick unboxing and showing you the ARTFLY glow-in-the-dark paints. Now, I forgot to mention, these are $17.99 on eBay UK, and we're a bit dearer on Amazon UK. So yeah, I got them from eBay, and like I said, it was an Amazon delivery, even though I left them in my recycle bin. But yeah, this is the end of the video, so I'm going to start doing a few more art videos again, and a few more music videos while I've got broken ribs. So thanks for watching me, Flo. Where's Midnight? She's down here. Okay, cheers, bye.